Which Tesla is the right one for you? Ever dreamt of silently zooming past gas stations, a sleek spaceship on wheels whispering by? That's the allure of Tesla, the brand synonymous with electric vehicles, EVs. But with a growing lineup of Teslas, each boasting unique strengths, choosing the best one can feel overwhelming. Fear not, fellow future astronauts. This video will be your one-stop shop for navigating the Teslaverse. We'll dissect each model, analyzing its range, performance, features, and that oh so important question, will it fit your lifestyle? The OG, the Model S. Let's start with the godfather of Teslas, the Model S. This luxury sedan oozes sophistication. Imagine gliding down the highway in a spacious, tech-laden interior that wouldn't look out of place in a Bond film. The Model S boasts an impressive range, making weekend getaways a breeze. But is it the right choice for you? If you crave unparalleled performance, the Model S Plaid Plus might be your pick. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds? Buckle up, because this car will redefine fast. However, the hefty price tag reflects its top dog status. For a more budget-friendly option, the base Model S offers a fantastic range and a luxurious experience. But if you need a car for a growing family or have cargo needs, the Model S might not be ideal. The family favorite, the Model X. Speaking of families, enter the Model X, the falcon-winged wonder. Those unique doors are a conversation starter, but the magic goes beyond aesthetics. The Model X boasts a spacious, 3-row layout, perfect for shuttling kids and their gear. Safety is paramount, and the Model X delivers with top safety ratings. Factor in the autopilot features, and you've got a car that prioritizes your precious cargo. However, the Model X shares some similarities with the Model S in terms of price. Additionally, the falcon wing doors, while cool, can be impractical in tight parking situations. The crowd pleaser, the Model 3. Now, let's shift gears, pun intended, to the Tesla that arguably revolutionized the EV market, the Model 3. This sleek, mid-size sedan offers a fantastic balance between performance, range, and affordability. It's the perfect choice for the tech-savvy urban dweller or the eco-conscious adventurer. The Model 3 boasts a minimalist interior that some might find too simplistic. However, the massive touchscreen controls everything from navigation to climate, offering a futuristic feel. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? The Model 3's cargo space is smaller compared to the S and X. Additionally, if you prioritize a luxurious feel, the minimalist interior might not be your cup of tea. The new kid on the block, the Model Y. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Model Y, the crossover SUV that's taken the market by storm. Think of it as the Model 3's rugged cousin. You get the same fantastic technology and driving experience with the added benefit of increased cargo space and ground clearance. The Model Y is perfect for those with active lifestyles or those who crave a bit more headroom. Need to haul camping gear or tackle a snowy driveway? The Model Y has you covered. However, keep in mind that the Model Y sacrifices some handling agility compared to the Model 3 due to its higher center of gravity. Additionally, like the Model 3, the interior might feel a tad snug for larger families. So, which Tesla reigns supreme? There's no single best Tesla. It all boils down to your needs and lifestyle. Craving luxury and performance? The Model S might be your dream ride. Need a spacious family hauler with safety features galore? The Model X awaits. Looking for an affordable, feature-packed EV for everyday adventures? The Model 3 is your go-to. And if you desire a blend of practicality, performance, and space, the Model Y fits the bill. The Tesla takeaway. No matter which Tesla you choose, you're joining the vanguard of the electric revolution. You'll experience the thrill of instant torque, the freedom of zero emissions, and the satisfaction of knowing you're doing your part for the planet. Before making your final decision, take a Tesla for a test drive. Feel the power, explore the technology, and see if it aligns with your vision of electric mobility. Remember, the perfect Tesla is the one that perfectly complements your life's journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.